What's up, Glam Fam? It's Quita here, and I'm back with another video. You know, typically I do beauty, hair, or DIYs, but this week we're gonna switch it up a little bit. So I've decided to do keto. It's like I'm challenging myself to like 7 days of keto. I've tried to do keto in the past, but honestly, by day 2, I'm just craving bread, and then I just go get a burger. So this week, what I'm going to do is just challenge myself to 7 days, take it, 1 week at a time, see how I can do. I've already meal prepped some bacon and eggs. I'm going to have 4 strips of bacon, 2 boiled eggs this morning. I also may have some bulletproof coffee. I'm not sure yet. Right now, I've been drinking my lemon water, and, that always, just flushes my stomach out and get, just all the toxins out. I love lemon water. Lemon water, also apple cider vinegar. That always does really well with my waist. So I'm going to be doing that this week as well. Yeah, y'all. So I'm just going to try it out. Take you guys with me. I'm about to go to work right now so you guys can kind of see what I'm eating this week. So here is my breakfast. As I told you guys, I've already meal prepped my bacon as well as some boiled eggs. So in the morning, all I have to do is crack my eggs, split them, put whatever seasoning I want. Today I did red crushed peppers. Usually I would do lemon pepper. Y'all, lemon pepper on eggs is everything, I'm telling you. Okay, y'all, so it's about 1:40 and I've, y'all seen my breakfast. I tried to eat my lunch, but it didn't work out that way. Out of my 6 wings, I ate 4, and then I still had some of this broccoli left. I don't feel really hungry, but I do feel like I could use a snack, like I could use something sweet or salty or something like that. So I'm about to run into the house real quick before I get on the road and get me some pickles and like these little baby pickles as a snack, as well as some strawberries. And yeah, like hopefully me just having that with me, I don't stop like at a gas station and try to get something to eat or something like that, like a snack or something like that. So that's what I'm hoping for right now. I don't feel too hungry, but I don't feel full. I don't feel satisfied. Okay, as I mentioned, I am on the road, and don't mind my makeup, I'm like super oily and all that stuff, right? But I'm on the road and I'm tired, so I went ahead and stopped at Starbucks, and I seen this keto recipe. It's like an iced americano coffee with sugar-free cinnamon something, whatever. I'll put it down below if it's good. Y'all about to see my first reaction, but it's supposed to be really keto friendly and all that stuff, so I'm scared. Let me see. It don't taste bad. It don't taste bad. You can really taste the cinnamon. You can really taste the cinnamon in like the water or something I seen him put in there. But it don't taste bad. Hopefully it give me some energy so I can just go ahead and get back home. Good morning. It is day 2, and y'all, let me tell y'all about last night. So as I'm getting closer to Mobile, I'm noticing that I'm hungry, and I haven't meal prepped my food. So my friend invited me and my son over for some tilapia pico de gallo, as well as some sauteed zucchini, and that was really good. But honestly, y'all, it did not fill me up. It just didn't. Like, I wasn't completely satisfied, but I wasn't going to eat more because I know I have to train my stomach to, less calories, smaller portions, all that good stuff, right? So once I got home, it was like I just started feeling like nauseous, because I guess it's like just a lack of calories that I had that was like not, I was like, my body's not used to. I did not count my calories. I do not plan on counting my calories or my carbs, because I don't want to just make it difficult for myself. When I went grocery shopping at that time, I looked at the calories and the carbs. So be careful of the, calories and carb intake, and then I just cook. So, however, I do know for sure that my body went through a calorie deficit yesterday, and I felt it, and I just did not feel good. At that point, I didn't want to drink any more water or anything. I did wake up during the middle of the night to use the restroom. Honestly, I've used the restroom all day. I stopped maybe like 4 times on the road because I had to use the restroom. So, yeah, guys, so today, day 2, I'm gonna have the exact same thing for breakfast, bacon and eggs. And then for lunch, I'll come back because y'all didn't really get to see my lunch properly yesterday. So I'll come back for lunch just to check in with you guys, see how I feel. I really think once I get past day 3, hopefully my stomach will like gotten used to like the no carbs and no sugar, because it seems like the first 3 days are always the hardest. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm about to have my water and my lemon and apple cider vinegar warmed up, and then after that I'll have my 30 ounces of lemon water. Okay, so this is day 2 lunch. The only thing different I did yesterday was go ahead and add me like a little bit of buffalo ranch, I believe, sauce. And I have 1 gram of carbs per tablespoon. This is about a tablespoon right here. And then I have my broccoli and cheese, and then I also put some butter in it, the G butter. So yeah, y'all, I originally started off with half a slice of cheese, but I went ahead and put another slice of cheese in it because yesterday I ended up getting bored with my broccoli. So hopefully today I can finish it. I'm drinking my water slower today. I am very irritated right now. Like, everything is getting on my nerves because I'm hungry. So hopefully this helps me out. It is about 1:05 right now. So hopefully this just helped my mood. I'll see y'all for dinner. Here is dinner, you guys. So I'm going to have a burger and a half with some bell pepper, onions, shrimp, and this salad with a little bit of ranch on it. Y'all, so the buffalo ranch that I had earlier on the chicken saved it. So I'm like, I'm not going to eat dry again. Let me just put a little bit more ranch on my meal for the evening, because this is going to be the last time I eat today. I'm probably most likely not even going to do another snack. That's why I went ahead and got a half of another burger, because I know that I'm hungry. So y'all, this is my meal. It is currently 6:30. So this is it, and then plus I'm still drinking some lemon water, of course. Good morning, y'all. So it is day 3, and honestly, it does not even feel like it. Like, it feels like it's been a week already. So this morning I didn't have time to do my breakfast. Excuse me if I'm looking the wrong way. I don't know right now. I didn't have time to make breakfast because I needed to make some more bacon because I ate it all yesterday morning. So today I grabbed one of these Atkins shakes. It says it's like 15 grams of protein, 1 net carb, and 1 gram of sugar. I hope that's okay. If not, whatever. Let's see. It honestly, it reminds me of like some medicine when I was younger or something. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get through this. I get off early today, thank God. Good morning, Glam Fam. It is day 4, and I am currently 5 pounds down, y'all. So your girl got on the scale this morning, and I am dropping some inches or whatever. But no, really, I did go ahead and measure myself, and I definitely am getting smaller on my stomach and my arms. Those are my 2 areas that I do want to work on. So I will just give a complete update at the end of the week on those measurements. But as of now, I am 5 pounds down. Yesterday, y'all, I was so hungry. I ended up just like literally scoffing down my food in the car when I got off work because I was that hungry. That protein shake was nasty, and I could not drink it. I just could not. So I ate that, and then later on, I ate my meal prep. Well, I only ate like 4 of my wings with some more of that little sauce on it. I threw away the broccoli. I just could not do it again. I couldn't do it, so I threw it away, honey. The real test came when my mom actually cooked, and I had to say no and just get a piece of steak because none of the sides qualified. So today, I've already eaten my bacon as well as my eggs. So for lunch, I think I'm just going to do like some Starbucks coffee, the keto coffee that I had the other day. because it wasn't like the best coffee, but it did give me energy, and that is the main reason why I drink coffee, not for the taste. I drink it because it gives me energy, and that it did, and that's what I need because I woke up early today unexpectedly. So I'm gonna have coffee. I did not meal prep my dinner yet. I have to go to the store, so I don't know what I'm having for dinner yet. So yeah, I'm gonna do the coffee because it typically suppresses my appetite and gives me energy to just get through this little work day. And then from there, I'll come back and just show you guys like what I have for dinner. Okay, y'all, so I had to quit stuffing my face to show y'all my food. It's a high carb meal. It's 12 carbs, and your girl wanted something good to eat, but still like not bad, not fried. So I went to Longhorn and I got the Parmesan chicken with broccoli and a salad. Right now it's about 4 o'clock. I'm not going to eat all of my food right now, or if I do eat it all, like, this is going to be it for me. I'm not eating no more else today. I'm just going to do my lemon water because I'm hungry, y'all. I got to go to the grocery store. I got to go and meal prep tonight. So this is just going to be something good, satisfying, and it's going to hold me over. So, all right, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow because this is it for me. This is it. Bye. Okay. So, boom. It's day 5, right? And I need to go ahead and recap day 4. Because a situation had happened. So, long story short, I was meal prepping my food. I was almost done. It got knocked off the table. I was extremely pissed. And I'm just like, you know what? I ain't gotta eat nothing bad, but I want to eat something bad. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it was and if it was good, if it tastes the same. No, fuck that. Because I don't want to entice y'all. So, just know I messed up. Because I knew I messed up, I had to bring out one of my secret weapons, which I know that this works for me. I know it helps flatten my stomach. I know it, do all that good stuff, help me lose weight, blah, blah, blah. But I didn't want to do it because I wanted to challenge myself to keto just to make sure that keto worked, which we know it's been working because day 4, I had lost 5 pounds. All right. I got on the scale day 4. I was 161. When I started, I was 166. Okay. So, when I got up this morning, I got on the scale. I went up from 161 to 162. Not bad, but who wants to go up? But I knew my secret weapon was about to kick in. So after my little secret weapon kicked in, got on the scale, I weighed 159.8. So it took me back down. But yeah, y'all, so I know I messed up yesterday. So this morning I had skipped breakfast because I got up late. I meal prepped my food, the same recipe that I was doing last night. They are some bomb ass burgers. I'm gonna link the recipe down below to where I got the recipe from. But there's some bomb ass burgers. Now the people in the video now, they use bread, they use French fries, all this stuff. Y'all know to leave that out. But as far as how they made the burgers, it is extremely good. Extremely, extremely good. I'm still full, y'all. Like, today is the first day that I've been full since I've started the keto diet. That's another reason why I really wanted to do that recipe, because I knew I could load it up with the butter and the bacon, the avocado, y'all. F Walmart and all the avocados, because they're always bad. I can't get a good one, so I haven't been able to get good healthy fat since I've started. What's up, y'all? So the challenge is over, and I know you're like, what is over? Like, Quita, you still got 2 more days left, right? But let me tell you what happens. So on day 6, everything went as planned. I went ahead and ate my zucchini with my burger, Bun-less Burger, even though my cycle was on and I had crazy cravings. Day 7 came, I still had the cravings. It was Super Bowl Sunday. So I ate and I drank, and honestly, I did not feel good after it. I felt a bit nauseous, so I wasn't really a fan of that. I do think the keto diet works because I lost 7 pounds within 6 days, and that's really good. I do want to go ahead and do the keto diet again, but the next time I think I'm going to give myself maybe like every 3 or 4 days to have like a piece of toast or some type of, well, bread, because that's kind of my thing. I'm really more into bread versus pastas and rices, stuff like that. So I'm going to do that and see how I would like it. This next time I'm also going to work out with it to see if I get better results. And y'all just let me know like below, do y'all want to see my journey? Because I am trying to get summer body fine, honey. And y'all just let me know, do y'all want to see my results? Would y'all like for me to show you what I eat in a day and things like that? It was very different for me doing like these vlogging type styles videos. I'm trying not to talk too much, but not too little. All this shit, girl, y'all, I don't know. Just tell me what y'all think. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.